Did you know that nearly half of all first-time travelers feel nervous? It's a common feeling that many people experience. It's true, traveling to a new place can be daunting, especially when you're unfamiliar with the surroundings and the culture. But don't worry, it's totally normal to feel a bit anxious. Taking deep breaths and finding moments to relax can really help. The key to a smooth journey is preparation. Organizing your documents and packing efficiently can make a big difference. When you're prepared, you can relax and enjoy the experience. A well-planned trip allows you to focus on the adventure ahead. Think of it like packing for a hike. You need to be ready for whatever comes your way. You wouldn't leave without water, snacks, and a map, right? Traveling is similar. Having the essentials ensures a smoother journey. You need the right tools and information to navigate successfully. Using travel apps and guidebooks can provide valuable insights and tips. Planning might not be the most exciting part, but it's the most crucial. Start by deciding where you want to go. Think about what interests you. Do you love history, beaches, or food? Once you have a destination, research is key. Learn about the local customs, currency, and visa requirements. This will help you avoid any surprises along the way. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in ensuring a stress-free trip. 2 common challenges for first-time travelers are planning and budgeting. These aspects can make or break your travel experience. It's easy to feel overwhelmed with where to start. The sheer number of options can be daunting. Begin by creating a rough itinerary. This will serve as your travel blueprint. List the places you want to visit, including must-see attractions and hidden gems, and how long you'll spend in each. Allocate your time wisely to make the most of your trip. Next, set a realistic budget. Consider flights, accommodation, food, transportation, and activities. Don't forget to include emergency funds. Don't forget to factor in some spending money for souvenirs. These little mementos can add up. There are many online tools and apps that can help you plan and budget effectively. Utilize these resources to stay organized and on track. Section 4, Adventure Awaits. Tips and tricks. Packing light is a golden rule. Make a list of essentials and stick to it. Roll your clothes instead of folding to save space. Don't forget a universal adapter for your electronics. When it comes to accommodation, consider your budget and preferences. Hostels are great for meeting people, while hotels offer more privacy. Booking in advance can save you money, especially during peak season. Section 5. My first trip, a comedy of errors, almost. I remember my first solo trip to Italy. It was a dream come true, a journey I'd been planning for months. I was so excited to finally try authentic pasta and pizza, the kind you can only find in Italy. I had my itinerary planned down to the minute, every detail meticulously noted. But I forgot one crucial thing, a phrase book. I arrived in Rome, unable to ask for directions or even order a coffee. The language barrier was more challenging than I had anticipated. It was a comedy of errors at first, with many awkward and funny moments, but it taught me the importance of being adaptable and open to new experiences. I embraced the challenge, used hand gestures, and eventually found my way around. Each small victory felt like a huge accomplishment. The experience, though initially bumpy, became a cherished memory. It was a journey of growth, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Section 6, ready to explore? Remember, preparation is key to a successful trip. Plan your itinerary, budget wisely, pack light, and be open to new experiences. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and embrace the adventure. Most importantly, have fun. Traveling is about exploring new cultures, trying new foods, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Your journey starts now. Section 7, ready to explore? Do you have any questions about planning your first trip? Share them in the comments below and stay tuned for our next exciting guide on mastering the art of packing like a pro.